Hi, I'm Thomas Carrell. I'm the General Manager of Crandall Roofing Incorporated. Crandall Roofing offers a full variety of low slope and steep slope roofing systems. We are GAF Master Elite certified. We are certified from Firestone, GEICO certified. We also carry certifications from Versico. Crandall Roofing has been serving the North Bay since 1995. We've roofed thousands of homes, businesses. Incredibly proud of our history here, based out of Sonoma County, serving Napa, Marin, and Sonoma counties. Our management team has over 150 years of experience managing all types of projects, from high-rise skyscrapers, to the smallest cottages, whether it's residential, commercial, if it's a re-roof, service, maintenance. Those are all things that we deal in. I believe we offer exceptional value, quality workmanship at a reasonable price. A lot of times when you get into roofing, there are variables that are unknown. There can be carpentry related, dry rot, things of that nature from a long-term leak. We have some wonderfully talented carpenters that can make those repairs in-house and ultimately allow you to move on to the next project in life. Re-roofing is a large project for a homeowner, a business owner. It's a big undertaking. It's a large investment and something that ultimately I can assure you that when you're dealing with Crandall, you're dealing with people that deal in integrity and ultimately are going to do the right thing. We encounter problems and ultimately do our best to get on the solution side of those problems. Should you have a roofing project of any size, or if you just want to know what the existing condition of your roof is, please do not hesitate to give us a call.